Welcome back to the channel, everybody. What's good with y'all? Today, springs. God said lowering springs. Like, yeah, I'm just gonna lower it down. We got some manzas. They lower the car about 1.5. 1.25. So we're gonna drop the little girl. Alright. This is what we're working with. Yeah, got those on the eBay for $100. So we're just gonna give it just a slight drop, nothing crazy, right? Because you know all that hella flush, little lifestyle boy. You know, as much as it looks cool, it's kind of over for me. You know, I got my little cars. Come on, girl. Got my little car right there. Got my other little car right there, but you know, we're just gonna start doing like an inch drop here and there. So I'm gonna take the front wheels off and get off the ground. My favorite thing to do, which is obviously my least favorite thing to do. Like, I hate suspension work, but you know what? Gotta pay to play, my guy. So I'm gonna stop whining, start grinding. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah, I'm trying to pump myself up. First of all, we need the key to lock it down, baby. There we go. I got set key. Boom. Sorry, I don't know who's doing our roof right now, but I know it's annoying. You don't gotta tell me twice, shoot. You know what I'm saying, playboy? I'm the last of my kind. We're gonna do the fronts first because those are a little bit more pain in the butt. We're just gonna zip those off. Yeah, working on the truck, and those things kick my butt. All right, next side. Next side. I don't know why the calipers are green, but maybe I should paint those. What do you think? Rock the green or just paint them? Paint them, paint. That's what. Hello. Alright. She jacked, bro. Trying to stick a brick under there. Bricks. Dumb butt works. Alright. Get this wheel off. Yeah, you know, if I had a nice garage setup, I don't have to worry about this. But I'm working with what I got, so. Good old European lug nuts. And look at all this stuff, yo. So much spider web. The amount of spider webs is too dang high. Straight up. Alright. Oh, looks like somebody just added some of those stabilizer links. So that's good. All right. We lit, as they say. I mean, it's kind of stupid that they're like right there. So it's like, you know, how is one supposed to get them all? What's going on with this jack? Mosquitoes out here? Wow. It's like 11 o'clock in the morning and we got mosquitoes. Look how small these wheels are. It's so fun. They're so little. That guy goes this way. This guy goes that way. Here we go. There's a pinch bolt down there somewhere. There's some dead mosquitoes here. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. All right. Got one of them things. We got one of them things, boy. All right, that's loose. You know, we need to loosen the top nut too. That's what we really need to do. What a mess I created. Wouldn't that be funny if they already have lowering springs and I did all this for nothing? Alright, what size? We don't know what size. Oh, it's a 21. Would you look at here? Oh my God. That was so stupid. That's hilarious, y'all. That is so hilarious. Like, oh, y'all. I tried to just loosen it and I wound up taking the whole darn thing out. I guess I didn't need a spring compressor anyway. Huh. Alright. What's the size of this pinch bolt? just gonna guess an 18. We're getting close. As they say, boys. We're getting close, boys. Yay. Does the car need to be taller? I don't understand. Oh, this could work. I don't understand. I don't understand. I can't comprehend. All right. Huh. I thought they were 13, yo. What happened? Oh, they're just really jacked. All right. All right. You go here. You go here. Yeah, that's crazy. Look at that, yo. That's crazy. All right. Look at this shot. I don't think these shocks are shocking anymore. Look at that, yo. All right, we gotta get some new shocks. That is just downright crazy right there. All right, time to take out the other side then. What? Did it? Alright guys, we got Amazon special. Because you know, that's all we can barely afford these days. We can't even afford that. So, yeah. Got the fronts. Jeez, excuse me. Alright, got front shocks. And we got back shocks. So you already know what time it is. Let's get it. Alright, that's it, yo. Alright, hopefully, you know, let's see how this goes. We're just gonna literally just put it back together. Hopefully. Also, this is kind of crazy. The little shock came out, or the axle came out of there. So I'm hoping I can just slip it back in, add another zip tie to the boot, and keep it pushing. You know, that's so weird. I've never seen that before. But yeah, we're gonna try. All right, we got the fronts back together. That was a pain in the butt. Now it's time to the rears. So it just looks like there is a lot of spiders. One bolt there, one bolt there, and a big bolt right there. Right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw some PV Blaster on that boy and zip it out. Alright, once you get those out, 21 millimeter and 213s, you just drop it all the way. Oh, there's also two of those guys you gotta pull off. They call it right there. And then you take it out. So now I'm gonna switch over the spring. Well, yeah, I need the top hat, so yeah. Alright, and we have the new one back in there. Even though I put the right one on the left side. Clown. Time to put the wheel back on. Alright, so this was kind of a pain in the butt because for some reason that nut was like not even trying to come out. But I got her out, so took everything I had, but time to put it on the ground, see what it looks like. What do you guys think? I think it looks so much better, yo. So much better. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching another video on the Mini Cooper. You want to see more? Let me know down below, alright? Love y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. You know the deal. Alright, y'all. Peace.